how to permanently delete Chime account. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up the step. So first thing is open up your Chime app and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you should be finding something this kind of interface. Now from the given interface, head over to the gear icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then after tapping on it, your settings opens up where you'll be finding your personal info and account info. Now right beside your personal info section, you should be finding an edit button. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after tapping on it, here you'll be finding a close account option right in the button. Go ahead and tap on that option. And after doing so, here you need to confirm that you would like to close your account. So in this box section, you need to type your message, and if you need to upload images, also go ahead and do that. After that, tap on submit request, and once you submit your request, your account should be in the process of deletion permanently. So if you don't activate your account within 30 days, your account should be permanently deleted on Chime. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to delete your Chime account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.